it's actually really different to see farming where land is not the limiting factor, and so that to see a land where there's tons of resource, like there's land and there's water and everything is there, just the capital and the knowledge to put it all together is lacking, and that's actually completely different. I hadn't expected that, to be honest.
Oh look, it's been a remarkable trip. We've seen a lot of different types of agriculture, from dairy, broadacre cropping and sugarcane. And I've got to say that I'm absolutely amazed at the efficiency of the Zambian farmer and the work ethic right through the industry.
And just the potential. There is 2/3 of the water of Africa flows through Zambia, and there's still so much of unused land, and we see that the population is increasing here. So we just see so much potential for Zambia, and the Zambian people know that and embrace it.
Yep.
First and foremost, I think as the farmers from Australia and New Zealand can attest, there's so much potential that our farmers have. But again, we also see that there are a lot of knowledge gaps which have to be filled for them to realize their potential. And one good thing is most of our farmers have shown the enthusiasm to learn new things. So I believe that one of the key things that they are going to do or to get out of this program is getting the knowledge that will propel them to the next level of farmers.
Yeah, definitely. Like, I mean, knowledge is actually such an easy thing to share. Like, I mean, it doesn't cost anything. All you have to do is talk and communicate, and it's good fun too. So, no, definitely. And a cow is a cow everywhere in the world. So mustard is the same. I mean, it's lots of things we can actually just learn from each other.
Water is their critical input, and it's quite obvious that the majority of the expansion or borrowings have gone into water infrastructure, and it's quite evident this particular season, because the wet season is about a month late, which we're also experiencing back in Australia. It's put a lot of pressure on the guys who don't have irrigation water.
Yeah, for sure, these are different landscapes that we're talking about, but food is food anywhere you go. People need to eat. So despite the fact that the dynamics are different, we see a lot of synergies that will draw from the Australian farmers into the Zambian farmers.
It's a lovely part of the world. The people are just so friendly right across the board, and they, as I said, they all just love to work, they love to laugh, and they're a really kind-hearted race of people.
The farming world, the world over, is a family, and I think we've now got a new cousin, and that are our bankers, and it's very nice to welcome them into the farming family.
So I see that despite New Zealand and Australia being far off, this exchange program will enable the bank to be able to get the ideas from there, plug them into the commercial farmers, and develop the synergies in between the segments of our agricultural landscape.
That's great.